What's up, guys? It's been a while, and I apologize. I've had so many things going on to do with work, in and out of town and different states and everything else, so I haven't had a chance to do a whole lot. But today, for the first time, I am one of the first ones to receive the new FPV Crate for November. Not only that, I got the limited edition FPV Crate, which will be in the next video. But this one is the unboxing of the regular one. So, here we go. Still sealed. I haven't even looked at it, and I think there's only one other guy that I know of that has actually put a video up on Facebook. He did it live. I didn't want to do that because I want to be able to do both videos. So, here we go. Always a thank you card and coupon codes. Anything else in there? Nope. And yep, I'll show you that afterwards. Cool new stickers. I kind of like these. Never disarm. Yeah, well, I disarm a lot. Alright, what do we got? Oh, that's interesting. FPV. You should be able to see the FPV, FPV. Circuit board. Just a keychain. Kind of cool, though. It's the FPV Crate. Not their logo, I don't believe. Oh, yeah, it is their logo. There you go. FPV Crate. Kind of cool. And that is a gate, a foldable gate. Not sure I'll ever use that, but... And a new t-shirt. Sorry, that's really loud, I'm sure. Unwrap this under the table. And this was that sticker they put on there. There we go. That's a cool logo. Nice. And, well, you know, price-wise, this might be a good crate for, you know, what was in it, but booster propulsion systems. Obviously it's a motor, or they are motors, at least it's a whole set. They're 2207 2500 kV, which is okay. 3 to 4S rated. That's actually around where I run anyway. Wow. Alright. These are the first ever FPV Crate motors. Can you see that? Hopefully the lighting's showing it. Got their logo on it. Booster. 2207 2500 kV. Feel like nice little motors. They're pretty smooth. They're notchy. And I'm going to be honest with you, that one doesn't feel all that smooth. I mean, it's got a bearing in there. But yeah, you feel that one when it spins. Let me try another one. But I will admit that I have gotten motors before that felt like that, and they flew just fine. So, yep, that one's exactly the same way. So, that's cool. I don't have a full-size frame that I need them on right now. But, if Well, if I'd have got them sooner, I would have used them on the QRC, what was this thing? It's the Lumineer frame that we got in the first FPV Crate. And I went ahead and built this out, and this is actually a custom painted frame by Mr. Bobby Harmon. That's his logo there. I never showed this. I've posted pictures of it up on Facebook, but this is what I did with my frame. And well, I went with the gold motors, but yeah, those would have done okay on it. Maybe not quite done the paint job justice, but anyway, I will use those. And so that's it. Now let's look at what everything's worth. So the 4 FPV Crate booster motors, $72 total price for the 4. FPV Race Gate, $8. The November t-shirt, $18. Practice soldering board, okay, so that's what they're considering that to be. November sticker sheet, $2, so $102. So, you know, these are what, $70 or something like that with the shipping. So that's not bad. I mean, they're one thing I will say is that they're keeping their prices of what we pay for the crate about you always get at least retail cost more than what you paid. So one thing that's really interesting, these are higher gauge wires, I guess, than I'm probably used to. Thicker, so that's good. Nice wires, actually. But anyway, so that's that one, and I'm going to end this video and move on to doing the limited edition 3-inch kit. So see you in a minute.